Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about Lavibook.com review, and by the end of this video we will find whether this is a scam or a worthy product, right? So recent reviews of Lavibook raises significant concern about its legitimacy, with many stores warning potential customer to be cautious. So let's go first of all to Lavibook. So I will just copy this here, right? And I will just go to Google, right? Because when I try to search for this website, I got nothing. And this is here, you can see this is not the official website. This is by the scam detector. So this website also claimed that this Lavibook is a scam. And if I just enter this Lavibook here, this is where I enter, right? And as you can see, there's nothing. Thanks here for patience, right, to us at this email address, right? But I don't know what's the product. There's nothing. There's just only contact us. That's it. So when I just got to know about this, this website, I just entered this URL, and as you can see, are you scammed? The trust issue or the trust scores is around 15 out of 100. That is pretty low, right? And this is red, so most probably this website is a scam, and I can prove it. So Lavibook offer a variety of ebooks and digital courses at competitive prices with the PDF version, right? And it has its own use, but right, you can see the prices. Another concern is that uniform pricing. Every book, regard of its length of content, is listed at 29 I mean $30, right? It doesn't matter what's the length, what's the size, what's the valuable, right? Every product is at $30. So you have to, just before going to this website. But right now this website is not even live, so there's no way you can just visit it. But of course, another concern is that no clear evidence of such strong customer support, right? As I shown you to the website, there's nothing, right? So it's still a very, concerning thing. So make sure before making any purchase, just do your research, check reviews from other user. And I don't know from where you will check, because I just went to Reddit, right? And you can just find here, right? This website popped out on my Instagram feed. The prices are so ridiculously low that I'm deeply, skeptical about the whole thing. I can, however, find no reference or review about this company elsewhere, so I can't trust or verify anything. I don't generally buy MTG product online from this, right? So you can just go here and you will get to know a lot about this website, and ultimately you will find this is not a legitimate website to buy a product or books, right? So this is it, guys. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.